The Al Azhar Foundation School is one of the pilot schools of the HRE program. The teachers and management decided to introduce the concept of democracy and rights to the students by forming a student council where students would stand for elections and campaign amongst their peers. The role of the student council would be to take up issues that were relevant to students in the school. Nominated students who were generally reserved and timid took this opportunity to speak up and have their voices heard. Once the election process was completed and the votes tallied, the teachers were amazed to see that a head girl had been elected rather than a head boy, because the girls were normally very shy and quiet when compared to the opinionated and outspoken boys. The Letter Writing Marathon is an annual event at Amnesty International during which letters of support are written to prisoners of conscience, people who are fighting for human rights in their own countries or communities. In 2013, Amnesty International India focused on the themes of right to freedom of expression. Irom Sharmila was chosen as Amnesty's prisoner of conscience. She has been on a fast for 13 years to protest the Armed Forces Special Powers Act in Manipur. Schools in Amnesty's Human Rights Education Network across Bangalore were invited to join the letter writing marathon. Students were introduced to the issue via a short presentation and were invited to write letters to Irom Sharmila.
So, what are you writing about now? You're writing to, who are you writing to? Irom Sharmila. You're writing a message to Irom Sharmila, and basically you're telling her whether you think what she's doing is right or wrong. Okay, and if you think it's right, why do you think it's right? If you think it's wrong, why do you think it's wrong? Okay, so feel free to write whatever you want. No freedom of expression.
Liberty to express.
Yeah, liberty to say whatever you want. So Irom Sharmila is fighting for saying whatever she wants. Because freedom of expression is not only with Irom Sharmila. Even you have the freedom to express yourself.
Over 350 letters were written by students as part of this letter writing marathon. The letter writing marathon is a way through which children can lend their voices and opinions to human rights debates in the real world.
Dear Irom Sharmila, my name is Adya. I am writing from half-grown class in Purna School from Bangalore. I support you because you have so much courage to fast for so long. Though other people use violence, you use non-violence. Your mother is just like you. You saw people struggling and you did so much for them. Keep trying till you succeed. I will support you for lifelong.